Hello everybody, this is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy. Today we are going to discuss about cancer. Children, at the last lesson you have learnt the importance of cell division. Usually the cell division is rapid and occurs for a large number of times in young and developing animals. As a result, the organisms grows in size. As the organism becomes an adult, the cell division in several tissues slows down considerably. Some tissues may completely stop dividing. In several tissues of an adult organism, cell division occurs when it is required. For example, just like an injury. Thus, the cell division is a highly controllable process. However, sometimes this control over cell division is lost. Then the cell goes on dividing without any control. Due to this, a large mass of cells are formed. Such a mass of cells is called a tumor. These cells in the tumor compete with another normal cells in the body for space and nutrients and even kill the normal cells. Sometimes the tumor is enclosed in a layer of connective tissue and does not spread. Such tumors are called benign tumors. They are usually harmless and are removed by surgery. Sometimes cells from tumors spread to other parts of the body and produced a large number of cells in other parts also. This type of tumor is called malignant tumor. This condition is malignancy or cancer. In such conditions, tumor formation occurs in all the other parts of the body and this interferes with the function of normal cells. In these conditions, the person becomes weak, lose appetite and maybe ultimately die. Cancer can affect any tissue in the body at any age. If the cancer affects the epithelial cells that cover the body organs, then it is called carcinoma. Cancer of lung, breast, pancreas and stomach are the examples of carcinoma. If cancer affects the tissues like muscles, lymph nodes, then it is called sarcoma. Cancer affects blood cells, especially of white blood cells, is called leukemia. Cancer is not a continuation disease. It does not spread from one person to another. Cancer is an inherited disease. It is not passes from parent to children. The major cause of cancer is a change in the genetic material, that is DNA of the cell. A change in the DNA is called mutation. Mutations occur due to the several reasons. It must be remembered that not all the mutations result in cancer. Only certain mutations lead to cancer growth. There are three types of agents that causes cancer. There are physical, chemical and biological agents. Agents that cause cancers are called carcinogenic agents. A cancer is caused by more than one agent. There is no single cure for cancer. Depending on the type, location in the body and severity and various methods are used to treat cancer. It is removed by surgery or cancer cells are killed by carefully exposing them to a very strong X-rays or Y-rays for brief periods and also with drugs called anti-cancer drugs. Even these treatments cannot cure cancer completely. Among men, cancer of digestive system, especially throat and mouth and lungs are the major types of cancer. In women, cancer of cervix means mouth or uterus and breast cancer are more commonly. Let us see what are the causes of men in mouth of a throat. Tobacco smoking and gutka or chewing. In India, amongst the social health problems, diseases is due to consumption of tobacco product and smoking are important. In the present kind of consumption of tobacco, it is a continued and it is estimated that 2.4 lakhs of population will suffer with cancer. Students and youth take up smoking and tobacco, gutka, chewing due to peer pressures. Through smoking and chewing gutka causes some discomfort in the first attempt, they are all addictive in nature. Further, nicotine which is present in tobacco gives a kind of instant energy but gradually it takes our body weeks. Consumption of tobacco products. It affects generally central nervous system, causes heart diseases, mental retardation, psychological depression, feeling of insecurity, paralysis, and acute neurosis. Causes of lung cancers are oral cancer, gastrointestinal tract cancer, etc. Pregnant women may be give birth to mentally retarded, low birth weight, and babies with deformities. It is therefore necessary that students do not consume tobacco products and also enlighten the users about the bad effects of tobacco consumption. Cancer can be identified at every earlier stages by the following symptoms: cough lasting for more than 2 weeks, a persistent change in a bowel habits, unexplained loss of weight and appetite, sudden growth of a mole or a wart, a hard lump in the breast in females only, excessive loss of blood. Healthy habits such as not smoking and not using tobacco products, not consumption of alcohol, proper diet and regular physical exercise can be prevent the occurrence of cancer to some extent. Remember points in this lesson are: uncontrolled division of cells resulting in the formation of tumor. Beginning tumor are harmless and do not spread in any body. Beginning tumor are harmless and do not spread in the body. Cells from malignant tumor spread to other parts and form tumor tissue in the new sites. This is called cancer. Cancer can affect any part of the body at any age. It is not a continuous or a inherited disease. Certain physical, chemical and biological agents causes the cancer. These are called carcinogenic agents. Ultraviolet light, powerful X-ray, radioactive materials and tobacco are some examples of carcinogenic agents. Cancer is treated by surgery or killed by cancer cells with a powerful X-rays and drugs. Thank you. This is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy.